What's up guys, AK with you today. I'm going to from the beginning install not sound decoder into that gorgeous older version of Genesis, Athearn Genesis locomotive. If you remember, yellow and like dark blue boxes, that's the engine. So it's a lot of details, but not like super details right now, and I really like it because with that super details I really don't want to touch that engine anyway. So this is my personal opinion, the hardest engine, most of the hardest to open. If you yank those couplers, I did it already because I need to release this whole assembly, but the toughest part, and I tried to record it, but it's not really, it's, you will see just like this my hands, Anyway, so what you need to do on the back of the here, you will see kind of holders for, I don't want to say the pins. I'll show you those guys going like here straight. So one about under here, under the mid, in the like last wheel here, and about almost the same here. All right, so let's look again. So you'll see them orange. Yeah, the thing is here that position holding those, help me with the name of those, not really pins but locks. Okay, so with some flat you will leave scratches. It's almost like impossible not to leave scratches, but that's okay, it's not affecting that construction at all. So you're kind of going this way towards the middle and kind of pry. And more important, you need toothpicks, like any toothpick. So my like here only usually 4 for opening a lot of European engines and stuff like this. So as soon as you starting from the back, from here, because the front has that sort of also kind of lock up front. Show you close, we don't need a, yeah, lock here. So you're starting from the bottom. You might squeeze these guys, but it's also very hard because they are against that piece of metal. Yeah, I wish I can record it. Yeah, so if you squeeze, there is nothing really to squeeze. If it will be small area here empty, yes, then it's no problem. Anyway, slowly, when you starting from the back here, from the rear, and then you just in between you stick the pin like that, or here, slowly. And same thing, it's a lot of back and forth manipulation with it. Then slowly you kind of pulling, same thing here. You try to put pins so it's not, as soon as you pass that in about size like half an inch up, you just slowly opening it. And again guys, it's tough. I did long time ago, I remember. I don't have the video again. So again, regular just decoder, LEDs. For this you maybe, I don't think so I'm going to do it. I'm going to make custom lenses here, and I just go through the cab like existing, those bulbs of course, and the same here, those just incandescent bulbs, standard. And also if you want to keep bulbs, that's okay, but they are always like different like maybe some of them 15 milliamps, some of them 30 milliamps. It's just so unusual, so they lit intensivity kind of different. So anyway, yeah, it's not, oops, it's no problem to put it here because not really a lot of parts. So just be careful, slowly do it. Also, you need to release, yeah, you need to release those two, and that's pretty much it. I'll see you in the next videos. I'll do the lights first. Thanks for watching. Thank you for supporting YouTube channel. Here's Patreon page, and have a good one. Bye bye.